Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today we are at Universal Studios to come and check out the coolest new store here. That is the Jurassic Park Tribute Store. So we're gonna go in, I'm gonna take you along with me. This store just opened. It's gonna be open until they open the Halloween Horror Nights Tribute Store. So not sure the exact date of closure at this moment, but it just opened here in late May. It's been open for a couple of days. We're gonna go in, check it out. I'm gonna take you along with me. You'll see it when I see it. Come with me, I got you. Let's go do this. When you walk in, there is stuff everywhere. Look at the pre-production. So that was a look at the pre-production animatic. Now, if you don't know, originally they had no idea how they were going to make the dinosaurs for Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park was really the first movie that was groundbreaking with the CGI. There was nothing like that before it, so they tried all kinds of things. They were going to do stop motion, the animatronics like that. They were going to combine stuff like that and, you know, easy digital effects until one of the creators at Industrial Light and Magic came through and said, look, we can do this with a computer, and he showed it to Spielberg and company, and they were absolutely blown away. And from that point on, the CGI revolution was born. And when you look back, those effects still hold up today, and that was in the early 1990s. So we owe those creatives there at Industrial Light and Magic and Steven Spielberg for having the vision to bring all that to life. So if you have an extra $1,250 laying around, you can get a diorama of the final scene, or a signed Jeff Goldblum statue for $825, or for $1225, you can get a signed Jeff Goldblum picture, a dinosaur tooth from the movie, and it has the picture of him signing it. So very cool. Being a filmmaker for so long myself and working with so many people, I definitely love the autographed stuff. That stuff is collectible and a lot of fun to me, but maybe not for $1,225. So that was even more of what I was just talking about, how they still use the animatronics for some close-ups, for some certain movement. They blended the old with the new, but they were going to use animatronics and stop motion for the whole thing until it was proven to them. And it had to be proved to Steven Spielberg because he was not believing it could be done with a computer and look real, but damn if they didn't do it.
Kitchen. See that out of my body. That out of my body. T-Rex. I want it. Look
at the classic Jurassic Park logo.
We could use that.
This is them from the kitchen scene.
Yeah. Terrible.
I need one of these to find my money once you leave the parks. Look at this clever girl. Clever girl. Look at that. From storyboard to on screen. I have said that a bunch of times on my set. Stay out of frame at all times.
What? Alright, put him up. Come on, out. It's too much. Alright, come on.
Watch out, they spit.
Oh, this is the other one. This is the other one.
Uh-oh, perimeter fence. Somewhere Samuel L. Jackson's arm is floating around. Oh,
That's a U-shirt.
yeah, it is.
Oh, wait, no, the breakfast.
Dun, dun, dun.
There's gonna be one or two faces. Is this only your Pathfinder? You can get these counts.
All right, adventurers, there you have it. There is a look at the new tribute store for Jurassic Park here at Universal Studios. If you are a Jurassic Park fan, this is the place to be. They have some really cool stuff, not just merchandise, but really super cool history involved. And you should stop by and check it out before it goes away for Halloween Horror Nights. We got a couple months to check it out. But until then, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day, and I'll see you real soon. Clever girl.